Feel the love. Woo! 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, drink. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, drink. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, drink. All back till I lose count. Oh my God! We hit a tree. We.
Nick, you're an idiot. We didn't even hit the tree. We're fine. The car's fine.
We hit. You're just saying we hit a tree.
Calm down.
We hit.
Oh shit. This isn't funny, Lauren. This is serious.
Well, what are we gonna do now?
Wait, I have an idea. Wake up! Come on! Well, that didn't work. Let me try.
Well, that's all I got.
Wait, don't we hate him? Why don't we just take his car, drop off his body, and run? Let's go.
Guys, we didn't die? Hey guys, you missed me? I mean, I know I was really ill. Boo! Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed that little skit I did with my good friends Lauren and Taylor. It was just some skit that I thought up of, and it was really fun to make. So if you guys liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next Monday. Bye!